test the alternator inside the car, you first need to release the belt to undo the belt of the pulley. And this one, it's a clutch type because it has a hole with splines in here. So that's important. Sometimes there's a plastic cup, just pop that cup off and see if it's a clutch type. Clutch type, it means it will spin both sides like this. It should be spinning really smooth. Let's just test the clutch itself. This is just the pulley spinning. And now let's just lock the clutch. You see there's the metal tabs inside there that spin with the pulley. And let's just insert, instead of a screwdriver, use rather a plastic pen, so you don't short anything when it's inside the car connected. Insert that between the tabs and then just try to spin it counterclockwise. It should not spin. And then spin it clockwise. It should spin with a small friction. The smaller the friction, the better the clutch. If it's kind of hard to spin clockwise, it means your clutch pulley is about to fail. Replace it. But again, a small friction, it's okay. It's not perfectly smooth, so that's okay like this. And now, as replacing the alternator, what is important, sometimes people like to replace just this clutch pulley. It's quite expensive. It needs a specific tool here. The tool also needs money. So it's really important also to buy a good brand for the pulley, perhaps a Aina brand. Don't skip on money and don't buy a cheap pulley, it will fail very quickly. Or the other way is just to buy a aftermarket Bosch unit of eBay perhaps, or of some sites, FCP Euro, IPD USA. It's $300 and I think it's a good deal because you're also replacing the regulator with a fresh one. So it's better to get a new one aftermarket, or even if you want to try a used one, be careful because the regulator have changed a lot in Volvos. So you need to get the right one for your car, for a year, for your engine and so on. FCP Euro usually has a really nice fitment section, so check it out. Also wanted to add, when you check this pulley at higher miles, it's important also to check the air compressor pulley. That one also fails. The tensioner pulley also on the serpentine belt also fails at 140-50,000 miles. So don't skip on those one. Those are really important as well, especially on diesel engine. When these pulleys on the serpentine belt will fail, the belt fails and it wraps around the crank pulley only on diesel D5 engines, and it wraps around the crank pulley, and then the cam belt skips gears and your diesel D5 engine gets busted, destroyed. It does destroy the head of the engine. There are so many people, owners, who have D5 engines that got their engine destroyed at well at around 130, 45, 50, 60,000 miles. I cannot count them. So check this when you purchase the car. Check all the pulleys on the serpentine belt on those diesel engines, specifically in Europe. In I think Australia also sells them.